In this video, we'll build a modern shopping app profile screen in Jetpack Compose from scratch. Create a Jetpack Compose project in Android Studio. Set up the dark blue color theme. Design the profile screen layout using lazy column. Design top bar with RO layout. Add the profile image with a rounded shape. Create the username, bio, and email section. Top UI preview. Build the stats row, orders, wishlist, reviews. Create reusable stat item section using Clown. Preview of Statianum. Create reusable menu item cards using row and card. Apply spacing, padding, and rounded corners. Add icons for orders, wish list, notifications, and address. Output of profile menu item. Design the Logout button with a yellow background. Preview of button. Completed profile overview. Three quick tips. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more Jetpack Compose UI tutorials.